Hey everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. If Marvel Rivals is crashing on startup, during gameplay, or even returning to the desktop unexpectedly, I'm here to help. Follow this step-by-step guide to troubleshoot and fix these annoying crashes. Let's get started. Step 1. Add launch options in Steam. Open Steam and select Marvel Rivals from your library. Click the gear icon and select Properties. Under Launch Options, try these commands one at a time. -DX11 launches the game using DirectX 11. -DX12 switches to DirectX 12 for modern GPUs. D3D11 forces Direct 3D11 mode. Each time, launch the game to see if the issue is resolved. Step 2. Disable overlays. Overlays can cause conflicts and crashes. Disable them as follows. Steam overlay. Go to Steam then. Settings then in-game. Uncheck. Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Discord overlay. Open Discord. Then Settings. Then Game overlay. Toggle off Enable in-game overlay. Restart your PC. Then launch the game again. Step 3. Verify game files in Steam. Right-click on Marvel Rivals and select Properties. Go to Local Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to complete, restart your PC, and relaunch the game. Step 4. Run the game as administrator. Locate Marvel Rivals executable file. Right-click the game in Steam, go to Manage, and select Browse Local Files. Right-click on the game's .exe file and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and check Run this program as an administrator. If crashing persists, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. If needed, enable Compatibility Mode for Windows 8. Click Apply and OK, then relaunch the game. Step 5. Disable unnecessary startup applications. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager. Navigate to the Startup tab. Disable unnecessary applications, e.g. messaging apps, game launchers. Restart your PC and check if the game runs smoothly. Step 6. Update Windows and graphics drivers. Update Windows. Type Windows Update in the search bar and click Check for updates. Install any available updates and restart your PC. Update graphics drivers. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience to update your drivers. For AMD, use Adrenalin Edition to get the latest drivers. Restart your PC and relaunch Marvel Rivals. And that's it. These steps should resolve your crashing issues in Marvel Rivals. If this guide helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Error Genie, and leave a comment about which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.